working as a nutritionist and environmentalist. So this company is a US-based company which is operating in Pakistan since 2008. So we have almost like 128 operations in the world. So our prime focus is on agri-business, so which means that we are working in agriculture, dairy, poultry, and agriculture as well. So in Pakistan, we have been focusing for the last 17 years on poultry, aquaculture, and dairy. Yeah. So we are going to start with the agriculture as well. So the idea is like we want to come up with the climate smart farming model, which means that we are going to reduce the pressure on the climate change. We want to produce the food so that we can target the food security, and we should also work on the sustainability. So in this regard, we build up a value creation model. In value creation model, what we are offering is we are going and working with a farmer on 4 C's, which means that we want to connect, we want to collaborate, we want to create, and then we want to communicate. Because at the end of the day, in Pakistan, the population of human and population of animal is growing up, which means that your arable land is going to be reducing because of the urbanization. So we need to create the model which can make a substantial difference on the performance and profitability of the farm. So that's the very reason we come up with a model which is one farm. So look at these are the equipment that we bring in from different part of the world so that can facilitate the farmer. So our core competency is to work with the farmer and to support the farmer in dairy, poultry, and aquaculture. So that's what we are doing. So I, being a veterinarian, nutritionist, and environmentalist, I'm caring. We are targeting on this climate smart farming model, and we are working together for Count of Plenty. So this is again a theme where we want that the planet is full of opportunities. So we need to work and collaborate together because population is growing, our resources are depleting. So we need to manage things in the best manner.
So you study technology suicide?
Yeah. So this is all our technologies are science-based, and anything that we do, these are not something I am saying. And in order to make this nexus to a bigger process, because see, every time we give the example of Europe, states, and other, but we are not doing locally. So what we are coming up with the idea is that we should make a nexus in which we bring in the government, we bring in the universities, and we bring in the private sector so that we can define solution over. So you can look at the clubs that we are here, or this is the Beef Club, Poultry Club, Dairy Club. These are the collaborations with the universities on which we work on the need-based research. So we bring the challenges from the industry, we process through the universities, and we engage the youth because we have more than 35% youth. So we give them small projects so that they can work on those projects and bring back value in the industry with the local knowledge base. So it should not be a quotation or reference from US, Europe, and other parts of that. It should be a quotation or reference from Pakistan. It's a player meeting, so inshallah.
Do you have any sites?
Yeah, it is in the car. So anytime let us know if we can help, because I was just recently presented in Iran on aquaculture online. So the university did that, so I was presenting as a speaker. Online I presented on how we can add value to the fish nutrition. That was the topic recently.
Great. Congratulations for supporting.
Yeah. Thank you very much, sir.
Please take two pictures.